Hey beauties, welcome and welcome back to another hair treatment video. How are you all doing? So guys, in today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys this treatment that I've been trying for the past 2 weeks. The result was super amazing. That's why I decided to bring it on here and show you guys how to also make yours. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, kindly watch this video to the end, like this video, leave your comments in the comment section, and please subscribe if you're watching without subscribing. So guys, in this video I am just showing you how to mix your cloves oil and Vaseline, and I am not showing you how to make your cloves oil in this video because I have enough video of how to do that already. So I am going to leave the links to the video of how to make cloves oil in my description box, so do well to check it out. And like I said earlier, this is a treatment I have tried for 2 weeks, and if you're consistent with it, you're going to see amazing results in your hair. Like, this treatment is going to help you prevent hair breakage, it's going to help you stop hair loss, it's going to help you prevent dandruff, and it's also going to help you lock in moisture. Like, if you have high porosity hair, this is a treatment you should not sleep on. You have to use it daily and your hair will be super moisturized. And for those of you who have low porosity hair, you can choose to use it twice in a week instead of using it daily, and you also love the amazing results you're going to get from it. So as you can see, I am just taking a generous amount of the Vaseline and also the oil, just mixing them all together for easy usage. Instead of using it separately, you mix the two of them together and you make sure you mix everything very well so that you can get that smooth runny consistency. So guys, as you can see from the video, I just went ahead to apply the mixture directly into my scalp. I like to work with cornrow anytime I'm applying any treatment so it can easily penetrate into my scalp and give me that quick result which I need. So I just massage everything into my scalp, and that was it guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.